Alrighty, everyone. So in example 3, we're given a regular square pyramid and it's got a height of 15 meters. We know the volume is 1,815 meters. It wants to know what the length of one of the base sides. So let's go ahead and just start labeling our pictures. We know the height is 15. So this is 15. And we also know the volume, which is 1815. And let me write with a better color. So we're trying to find the length of a base side. So to figure that out, I'm going to need to figure out what my area of the base is. And I don't have that information yet. So we're going to go ahead and plug in our values into a formula to start working backwards. So I know the volume, and so that's going to come in handy. Let's figure out what the area of the base is going to be. So here's my volume formula for a pyramid. And I know V is 1,815. So I'm going to set that equal to the formula for volume. Don't know what the area of the base is, but I do know that the height is 15. Okay, so now what we can do is I can simplify everything on the right-hand side of this equation here. 1/3 of 15 is just going to be 5. Or another way of asking that would be, what is 15 divided by 3? And that's 5. So this is 5 times the area of the base. So once again, all I did, let me see if I can get my highlighter. All I did was I simplified this part right here. I took 1/3 of 15, and that's where that 5 came from. Alrighty, now to solve for the area of the base, I'm going to divide both sides by 5. And when I do that, I get that the area of the base is 363. Okay, now that's helpful to know because I can use the area of the base to figure out what one of the side lengths is. I know that the base is a square. So here's a square with all right angles. And the area is 363, which means all of the lengths have to be the same. So I'm going to label the lengths x by x. And I know that if I do x times x, I'm going to get an area of 363. Well, x times x is x squared. So I really have x squared equals 363, which means to figure out what x is, I need to take the square root. And the square root of 363 is 19.05. So 19.05 is the length of one of the sides.